Have you ever noticed that the more pressure that you're under, the more you feel the urge to explain yourself? Not because you're unsure, not because you're unprepared, but because suddenly clarity does not feel safe. That instinct to explain more is one of the fastest ways leaders lose authority under pressure. Most people think over-explaining is a communication issue. It's not. It's a pressure response. And it shows up most often in capable leaders who actually know what they're doing, but they feel the weight of scrutiny, consequence, or visibility. Here's how this typically shows up. You justify decisions you used to state cleanly. You add background no one asked for. You soften statements that should be direct. You keep talking past the point of clarity. Maybe you walk away thinking, I should have stopped sooner. From the inside, it feels like being just thorough. From the outside, it feels like uncertainty. Under pressure, the nervous system shifts. Instead of supporting decisiveness, presence, authority, it shifts towards threat monitoring, approval, outcome control. Explaining becomes a way to reduce perceived risk, not because the decision is wrong, but because being certain feels exposed when the stakes are high. So leaders try to protect certainty by padding it. That is the mistake. Authority isn't built by saying more. It's built by behavioral consistency under pressure. When leaders over-explain, confidence appears unstable first and foremost. Decisions feel negotiable. Authority shifts from presence to persuasion. Even when the content is correct, the delivery signals doubt, and people respond to that signal, not the intent. The more confident you are, the more likely you are to over-explain under pressure. So why would you go that route? It's because you see nuance others don't. You anticipate objections. You understand the consequences. And you want alignment, not resistance. But under pressure, that sophistication, it turns inward. Instead of clarity, it produces cognitive overflow. And overflow sounds like explanation. Over time, over-explaining creates patterns. Decisions slow down. Others defer responsibility back to you. Your authority erodes quietly. You feel like you're carrying more weight than you should. Not because you lack leadership, but because pressure changed how you signal certainty. This isn't about saying less for the sake of it. It's about regulating pressure so clarity can stand on its own. When leaders stabilize their responses to scrutiny, explanations shorten naturally, statements land cleanly, authority becomes visible again. The solution isn't a communication trick. It's restoring decision stability under pressure. If you find yourself over-explaining more and more when the stakes rise, that is not a flaw. It's a signal. And the real question isn't, what should I say less of? It's why certainty stops feeling safe under pressure in the first place. That is where authority actually breaks. So I hope you found this content helpful. If you did, please consider sharing, please consider subscribing, and we will see you all on the next video.